about trading Forex is that you don't actually know exactly which trade is going to be a crazy winner or just another loss.
What's up, everybody? We are currently live.
Big way to weekly.
Trace back down to what we've got evidence that price is going to be bullish.
Point sort of chasing the market. I was more than happy to stay flat.
Hello everyone. With the kangaroo toe.
Always recommend trading on the 5 minute.
Some of these exotic pairs in pretty steady uptrend, making these higher highs and higher.
Mostly trend following.
The stimulus in a certain way.
Yeah, we're good now, I think. We are good now. Well, I was just talking about NASDAQ. It was tricky to trade this morning, but it finally did drop down to that lower zone. Yep, Julian, exactly. It was spot on. Though the entry would have been pretty tough. Yeah, right down to 15,400. That entry would have been super tough. What is all-time high price for US30? Let's find out. It is. It looks like it's like 35,628. Yeah, it's 35. Wow, it's not even that far away. So Bitcoin makes new highs, and now US30 might make new highs. Interesting. US30 could be a buy, but there is some bearish divergence. I'd be careful on a buy with that divergence. Hell, I might try to scalp Bitcoin up to 67K. Yeah, I'm going to put a Bitcoin trade in. A small one. Let's see. Pretty much I'm only going to risk like 25 bucks. 25, 30 bucks. Nice, Tony. You got in US30 at 35.05. Yeah, pretty good entry. Pretty good entry. Looks like you entered around down here on this candle. Did you enter the buy after it made a new high on this candle? Here, let me mark this up. Did you put your buy in after you saw price make a new high right here? Hey, what's going on, Elvin FX? I do think Bitcoin will be at least 70K by Friday. At least 75. 70 to 75K. NASDAQ with some king retail action right now. Fuck. Let's see, will we get a king retail to drop? We got 3 wicks now. Possible drop incoming. Going for about 3.5 hours on this trade. Yeah, just over 3.5 hours. I put my stop loss slightly above the open price. Yeah, TP would be really nice. We are getting a lot of resistance, though. It was 15,435. It was this candle over here. Yeah, no, not getting the drop. I thought it was going to drop. It looked like some nice resistance. Had some wicks. And still, there is not one article about Bitcoin making new highs. Of course, the mainstream media is not going to report about Bitcoin right away. Not one fucking article yet. Yeah, you already know. Okay, you already know. As soon as US30 makes a new high, within 10 seconds, there's going to be an article of a new high. If anybody has seen an article about Bitcoin's new high this morning, please send it to me. They'll probably talk about it like later today. Shoot, after the newscasters get in Bitcoin before they announce it, right? I think US30 will make a new high within, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 hours. It's only got to go like 600 pips, it looks like. If Bloomberg has anything on it. There we go. Bloomberg headlines. Bitcoin climbs to record high after futures-based ETF debut. So Bloomberg was the first to announce it. I need to stop being a broke person and pay for my Bloomberg subscription. It's $290 a year. Yeah, Nasdaq's on a tear. Look at that, almost like a perfect V movement. Yeah, I'll probably pay for my Bloomberg subscription finally. Is a drop incoming on Nasdaq? Bearish divergence was just created. I think Nasdaq's going to dump. I mean, maybe it tries to wick up here, but then drop. But I really got no confirmation. Just sell right now. Unless I get like a kangaroo tail. Give me a kangaroo and I will sell. We do got one Foreman, but it's a very small one. Very nice, Tony. But I do think Nasdaq is going to retest this wick, which is going to take out stop losses. So I would not enter a sell yet. Would not at all. Oh shit! Look, US30 just made a new high of the day. Like, what are the odds? Bitcoin and US30 both make new highs. There was heavy inflation news today too. I guess that's good for stocks. Because if there's inflation, everything goes up since there's more money. So it makes sense. But I would sell Nasdaq after it takes out stops. Pretty convinced it will spike up. Could also be developing a possible trend line. You want me to check GBP USD? I'll look at it quickly. Well, not hourly. Damn, GBP USD is going to look like a sell-off. Looks like GBP USD will be going up a little bit more. Rather than possible drops. There we go. CNBC just reported about Bitcoin. CNBC, 11 minutes ago. Bitcoin jumps a new record above 65K after landmark US ETF launch. As Bitcoin soars in value, here's what you need to think about before you buy. Well, we want the FOMO crowd. There's this lady that I was talking to a lot. She wanted to get into Bitcoin, so she took some of my advice. She got some Bitcoin. I was like, fasten your seatbelts. You got to hold until December minimum. She bought Bitcoin when it was like 38K. Bitcoin jumped up to 55K, 65K. Then she watched it drop. Then she fucking sold at 40K. I'm like, why did you sell at 40K? I told you what was going to happen, right? It was going to go down. But you cannot sell until December. You got to have balls of steel if you want to get into Bitcoin. Can you handle a 70% drawdown? Can you handle watching $100,000 go down to 50K? Because that's what I watched. I watched over 100K drop down to 50K. All right, NASDAQ. See why I said do not sell yet? I said I thought it would probably retest this wick, and it just did right now. No, the ETF is just a stepping stone, basically, Torino. It's a stepping stone for more crypto ETFs to be launched. And if more ETFs are launched, then naturally we're just going to keep going up and up and up. Got some more slight divergence on this shorter time period. Shit, US30 is almost there. Need about 300 pips on US30 for a new high. Oh shit, speaking of new highs, Bitcoin just made another new high of the day. Damn, that sucks because we entered our trade. Oh shit, I think I barely got stopped out right here. Yeah, I did. Because my stop, I remember I put my stop below these candles here. Ah, oh, son of a gun. We would have been up a good 40, 50 bucks right now. But Bitcoin's at 66,400 right now. Let's fucking go. The best Bitcoin YouTube content is watching it make new highs. Like, come on, what's better than watching Bitcoin make new highs? Well, I mean, besides if you own a lot of Bitcoin. But shit, if y'all were too slow to get into crypto this year, Do not miss it. And because in 2 or 3 years, we're going to drop. We're going to drop 80 to 90%. And that's going to be the time to get in. You do not want to miss the next wave. Take this as a learning lesson if you did not get into crypto early. After the season's done, mark my words, we will be dropping. We will be in a bear market. I'd say it probably takes 2 crypto bull market cycles to see what you need to do. The first cycle, you need to get in late and get owned. The second cycle is when you need to just absolutely crush it and make your bank. The first cycle is a learning experience. 66,500, yo. 66,500. I don't want to take my eyes off Bitcoin. Forget NASDAQ right now. India first. Analysis says US30 is a buy. The question is, will it shoot up after it makes new highs or will it reject instantly? Like, I would say there's nothing wrong with the buy. Have some stops, below some of these candles, maybe here. If you want to be aggressive, I would put a stop loss here, but I mean, if you want to grab 200 pips, I'd say it's a good buy right now. Just don't risk your whole account. Well, the high is right here on this line, India first. So we're not quite there yet. This line right here, 35,628. For my new office setup I was thinking I need to get a big neon light. That's a Bitcoin logo. Bitcoin logo, and next to that have a kangaroo light. 2 things I love, kangaroos and Bitcoin. India first. You sold? You got balls of steel if you sold. Wait, you sold and you're still in drawdown? You better get out. If you are in a sell right now, you better get the hell out if you entered way down here. You're in a 1,000 pip drawdown. Close that shit right now. Well, Bitcoin is finally slowing down for the first time all morning. Wow, crypto market cap just hit 2.68 trillion. Closing in on, let's see. Let's look at the biggest market caps in the world. Let me pull this up. All right, Bitcoin number 8 market cap in the world. But if you combine this, if you say market cap for crypto 2.68 trillion, it's number 2 in the world for market cap. And crypto is almost half as big as ETFs. Like honestly, crypto market cap could overtake ETF crypto cap. I mean, crypto is bigger than Apple. Bitcoin is about to pass silver, for God's sakes. No, maybe next week. Maybe next week. Oh. Finally, my DeFi recovered. Back up 100% on DeFi ROI. I need my DeFi cryptos to take off. There we go. No, you should just close that shit in you first. Close it and let's stop discussing it. Fucking close it right now. I don't know if you're serious or if you're trolling, but either way, the end of discussion is close it. Bitcoin, new high, huh? 66. Yes. Yeah, this song says allergic to the drop. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm definitely allergic to the drop on Bitcoin. $66,700, almost at $67K. Shit, honestly, I gotta start getting some crypto over to Gemini. Get ready for some sell orders. Torino, you say 72K? Y'all should have seen my reaction this morning when Bitcoin actually made the first new high of 65K. That's worthy of a YouTube video, short clip. There's going to be a lot of people buying today, though. I feel the last of the bunch of the retail herd is going to come in, but more also companies are coming in. So the stream today is more like a Bitcoin watch party. Allergic to the drop. Fuck. Damn, that sucks that I got stopped out. We would have been celebrating. I called the buy of Bitcoin. I said 67K. Whereas it hit 66,758. So I need $250 more. Shit. Those damn stubborn candles, they gotta come down and stop you out. Hopefully, at least some of you are in the Bitcoin buy still. It didn't get stopped. Because that's some easy money. If you had a bigger stop than me. Now it's finally dropped. Harry, you got out of Bitcoin at 60K? My buddy who bought 10 Bitcoin last August, he said he was going to hold. We both were not going to sell our Bitcoin until the end of this year. And I think he got cold feet and sold his Bitcoin for 100K profit. And selling Bitcoin back in last December at 20K was a huge mistake. It cost him over $668,000 by not following the original game plan. That's how important it is. When you have an analysis, stick to it, or it can cost you over $500,000 by simply doing something, by just waiting. $500,000, yo. US30 still has not made a new high. A lot of rejection going on right there. Another new high of 66,800. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing go. $67K incoming. I mean, I called it. So stupid how I got stopped out right there, though. God damn, I called a perfect, absolutely perfect trade. Easiest trade in the world you could have done. Was that 66,900? Come on, I want to see six. Even though I'm not in the trade, okay, I want to get the satisfaction of knowing I was right. I was just wrong about the stop. There we go, almost 67K. Come on, baby, hit 67K. Yeah, Bitcoin did at 67K on some other prices, just not MetaTrader. So 67K, that's when smashed, just not a MetaTrader price yet. Ethereum over 4K too. Very nice. Very nice. Hope you guys made some money on that Bitcoin though. Easy trade. Y'all, I think I'm just gonna hop off the stream right now. Since I'm not in a trade or not in anything. Bitcoin did smash 67K price. Yeah, today was more like a Bitcoin watch party. Yeah, for sure, Razu Harry. Hopefully get some better trades next Wednesday. The unfortunate stop out. But yeah, we'll see y'all later.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's stream. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. And hey, before you go, make sure to check out our guest on social media, as well as subscribe to the A1 Trading YouTube channel for more free trading content throughout the week. Before we go, I do also want to say down below in the description, there's all sorts of great perks for you if you're looking for a broker. We've got some recommended brokers. We've also got a Telegram channel and email newsletter that you would probably benefit from if you're an aspiring trader. So take advantage of some of that free stuff down below. It will also help out the channel tremendously, and we will see you back tomorrow.